In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll know exactly where the page size controls live and how to switch between standard sizes or set your own custom dimensions, so your document prints and looks the way you expect. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can open an existing document or create a new one. The page size can be changed at any time. Just make sure you're in Writer and not another LibreOffice app, since the menus differ slightly. Once your document is open, head to the top menu and choose Format, then select Page Style. This opens the settings that control how your pages are defined. In Writer, page size is part of a page style, which means any changes you make here will apply to the pages that use this style, ensuring consistent formatting across your document. In the dialog that appears, click the Page tab. This is where the core layout options live, including paper size, orientation, and margins. We're focusing on the paper size controls today, since that's what affects the overall dimensions of your pages. Under the Paper Format section, locate the Format dropdown. Here you can pick a standard size like A4, letter, or legal. Choose the option that matches your regional standard or printing needs. For example, A4 is commonly used internationally, while letter is standard in the United States and Canada. When you switch formats, your text will reflow to fit the new page size, which is normal. Keep an eye on how line breaks and page breaks adjust so you can fine-tune your layout afterward if necessary. If you need a size that isn't listed, type your custom dimensions into the width and height fields. As soon as you do, the format setting will automatically switch to User, confirming that you're working with a custom size. Enter values that match your intended output, and remember that the units shown reflect your current LibreOffice settings. If you're preparing a special booklet, flyer, or label sheet, double-check the printable area supported by your printer so nothing important gets clipped. When you're ready to preview the result, click Apply. This lets you see the change in your document without closing the dialog. If everything looks right, click OK to confirm and close the window. Your document is now using the new page size for the current page style. That's it. You've successfully changed the page size in LibreOffice Writer. Save your document to keep these settings, and you're good to go.